it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. I have a bit of a fun project today. I hope you get some inspiration from it. I am playing with these flourishes. I have this clear stamp set here. It's called Autumn Leaves Clear Stamps. Flourishes by Rona Farr. It's just one I picked up, and it's got a whole bunch of different flourish styles on here. So they're really kind of fun to play with, and I thought they'd make really great stamp backgrounds. So I used these pigment ink pads that I had, got them in different colors, and I've just played around with some of the different stamps on here, and I'll show you the backgrounds that I've done so far. So here's one in kind of the silvery color here. It's kind of pretty. This one I like too, and this kind of a soft pink. I think that was this one here that I used. The pigment dyes are really soft and kind of pastel-y, and then I had this one is a darker one, and I kind of mixed it. I overlaid, first I did the kind of a pink one on first, and then stamped the darker color on top, just kind of overlaid it and kind of made a neat pattern there as well. This was a smaller flourish from the package, and I kind of mixed it up with a different one alongside it there in the green and kind of a sort of a soft yellow color there. And here's another fun one with lots of swirls on there, kind of a pretty pattern in the green and kind of that silvery gray again. So I thought it would be fun to stamp a couple together. So stay tuned if you'd like to see that. Okay, I think we're good to go here. So I've got this pretty flourish on my acrylic stamping block here, and we're gonna start with some kind of silvery gray ink there. And now these can be totally random the way you stamp them. So what you want to do is just, ink your stamp up every time, and then just kind of move your flourishes around. And there's no really rhyme or reason to it, because you can kind of stamp the flourishes off the background. You don't have to do a complete stamp of it. So it's kind of fun. I always have a piece of paper underneath so that you don't get it all over your workspace as well. Let's see, what can I do this one more towards the middle there? And maybe just one more in the corner over here. It's pretty simple and makes a really nice background for a card. And you can go in with a smaller, I have a smaller one of the flourishes here, and I could add this in another color on there, just for, let's see, what color should I use? I don't know, I kind of like the pink. So let's do this. Ink it up here. I really like these soft pigment colors on here. Now this one, so you could just kind of randomly add this in. Like so. Just wherever you want to see a little extra design or flourish on there, it's totally up to you. It's kind of nice on the corner sometimes, because if you use this for a background and then you maybe have another design over top of it, say that was the center or something, then you're only going to see the edges. So this is kind of nice to fill up the corners a little bit. So we'll do maybe one or two more on here. Let's see, let's do that one. That was kind of weird, but whatever. There. Maybe one more, just in case this is showing in the center. We'll put one there. And maybe one more over here. Okay, so there, you get the idea. So that's another one. I have another one we can try here with some different colors. I'm going to go back to that large flourish here. I'm just going to wipe it off. comes off really easy with this ink. And let's try another color. Maybe this aqua color. I don't think I've used that yet. Let's ink our stamp up here with that. See, it looks pretty good. Okay, and then we can start here. Do some more. There we go. You have to let me know in the comments if you've done a lot of cards with flourishes or use them in a different way. Let me know what you've done with them. If you like this idea for backgrounds. We'll do one more right in the center there. Maybe just a little bit of one. Don't need the full size necessarily here, but just fill in that space a bit. So there, so that gives you some ideas of how to do a quick background with your stamps. And you don't have to use the pigment dyes. You could totally use, you know, darker ink dyes that you have, whatever colors you like. And here's one card that I did with the background. So I just turned it into a thank you card. There's the pink flourish on the back, and then I just did some layering of these little kind of rectangle designs on there, layered them up. I think I put some 3D tape on the back of one of them there to raise it up, and some little bit of ribbon, which I wrapped around and attached that. And makes a nice thank you card. I left it blank inside, of course. Yeah, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed that idea and you get some inspiration. Hope you have a great day. See you next time. Bye for now.